Where are you from?
I'm from in Semarang.
What is your phone number?
Yes, 0891.
Hey, may I check your body?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What matter?
I have been feeling unwell since yesterday. I have got a chilblain and a short cough.
Have you been eating many sweet recently?
Yes, I had yesterday. I had a good dinner. I ate a lot of chocolate, sweet, and also ice cream. And now it was but ugly. Sorry.
Okay. Do you often have that kind of diet?
Totally.
Hmm. Did you have a good sleep last night?
No, I can't.
Well, I suggest you not to consume many sweet in your meals. In addition, try to have a healthy diet. Try to like consuming fruit or vegetable in your daily routine or fruits, and don't forget to drink much water. Okay?
Yes,
Okay. Don't forget to medicate 3 times a day.
I got it.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much, doctor.
Welcome. Are there any other complaints?
Yes, flu and little headache.
Hmm. Maybe you add too much ice.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Is there any problems again?
No, there isn't anymore.
Okay. Don't forget to drink your medicine. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you, doctor.
Your time, please.
Yes.